Most people suffer from some type of unwanted skin darkening caused by a range of reasons, such as chafing, sun exposure, freckles, scars, acne, skin irritations, pigmentation, skin allergies, rashes, contact spots, genetics, etc. Today's video will discuss how to use baking soda for whitening skin. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Is baking soda good for skin whitening? Baking soda is composed of sodium and a pH neutralizer which exfoliate the skin cells throughout the skin. Number 1. The pH of baking soda helps to neutralize the acid-alkaline nature of the skin. Number 2. It acts as an exfoliant that removes the cellulite damage in the darkened skin. Number 3. Regular applications will make your skin whiter, softer and shinier. Number 4. It has antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that clean all infections on the skin along with its scars. Number 5. It acts as a good oil absorbing agent to clear excess oil. Number 6. It evens the skin tone and prevents the buildup from clogged pores. It deeply cleanses skin by absorbing the excess oil. How to use baking soda for skin whitening? You will need baking soda with water. Mix baking soda and water in a 2:1 ratio. Apply this paste on the affected skin. Massage gently in circular motions, then leave on for a few minutes. Wash off with lukewarm and then cold water and dry the skin. Number 5. Only apply 3 to 4 times a week. Note: rose water or buttermilk or almond milk can be used instead of normal water. You can add 1 drop of any essential oil for a relaxing effect. Number 2. Baking soda with honey. Honey helps to fight against bacteria, tighten the skin pores, protects skin from sun damage, and moisturizes the skin. Baking soda exfoliates the skin to reduce redness caused by freckles and those boost proper circulation. Mix baking soda and honey in 1:2 ratio to make fine paste. Apply this on the affected skin. Leave on for 15 minutes and then wash off with water. Number 3. Baking soda with lemon. Baking soda mixed with lemon juice has vitamin C that acts as a bleaching agent. How to make? How to use? Mix freshly squeezed lemon juice with half cup of baking soda. Apply on the affected skin and rub it gently. Leave it on for a few minutes and wash it off. You can also add few drops of olive oil or any essential oil or honey. Have you ever tried baking soda for whitening skin? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.